friends, welcome to this new video and to the second week of Vlogmas. I hope that your holiday season is going well so far. So today we are gonna be doing some decorating. This video is not gonna be very plant related, but as I mentioned, I want this holiday series to be a bit more relaxing, a bit more casual, to also show some other things, to switch it up a bit. But obviously after the holidays we are gonna come back to the usual, to just chatting about plants and balcony gardening. So when it comes to Christmas decorating, I don't do much because obviously I live in a tiny apartment in the city center and I don't have any storage possibilities. Like literally everything that I own has to fit in this apartment. So I keep it pretty simple, pretty minimal. So let me show you what I have and which areas of the apartment we are gonna be decorating. Okay, welcome to my pile of Christmas decorations. Looks super messy, I'm sorry for that, but I decided to lay it all out here so that I can see what I have. Including my super tiny Christmas tree, apartment-friendly Christmas tree. But I'm gonna be decorating the bedroom and then I want to add a few bits and pieces here in the living room. So I think we're just gonna go straight into bedroom and start decorating there. Okay, so here is my tiny boho bedroom, still looking very autumnal. I figured I'm just gonna keep the autumn decor and just switch it directly to Christmas decor. I don't have very many houseplants in my bedroom, just some fern in the corner there and then a Piperemnum Cebu Blue hanging from the curtain rod. I would definitely like to add more plants. Okay, so let's start by just switching all of those posters to something more Christmassy. So I really like switching up these posters to pick different ones for different seasons, for different holidays. I ordered them all on Poster Store. I really like their choice of posters. So I have some new ones for this Christmas season. I have some for the living room as well. So the bedroom, I would like to decorate it in reds and greens. So this is kind of the theme. So all the posters are in red and green and white colors. So we have some beautiful picture of amaryllis, some print with joy written on it, some conifer, some Christmas tree, let's say, and some wooden house in red, and then this one giant photo. I'm not sure if I will be able to hold it up, but let me see. A giant picture of a truck bringing home a Christmas tree. Okay, so here it is for now. Not sure if I'm gonna change something on the bedside tables. I brought the Christmas tree, it looked a little bit weird, so I'm gonna decorate it in the living room in all cases. So here is how it looks. Okay, so the Christmas tree is done. It's super simple, as I said. I don't do bows and ribbons and stuff like this. I admire people who have the talent and the patience to do it. I definitely don't. So I'm keeping it simple with some red ornaments. Still have a few Christmas decorations to place somewhere. I put 2 pillows on the sofa and then I put that beige star up there. I'm sorry for the light levels, but it's really dark in here. Plus the weather doesn't make it any easier because it's gray and rainy. So now we just have to address these 3 shelves and then we are pretty much done. Also a little update on the paperwhites that we planted together in one of the recent videos. I think it's been 4 weeks now, or maybe just slightly over 4 weeks, and they are blooming right now. They smell absolutely amazing. Good morning, it's a new day, it stopped raining, but it's freezing cold. I can actually see some small snowflakes falling from the sky, so maybe we'll have a nice layer of snow tonight. That will be nice, it will look magical with the Christmas lights. So as far as balcony decorating goes, I really enjoy decorating my balcony for different seasons. I enjoy decorating my balcony more than my apartment, but this year I'm not gonna do much since I'm gonna be traveling for Christmas. But I put a few small decorations, DIY decorations that I shared with you in my last video. So today I'm just gonna add some Christmas lights to it, and that's gonna be it. So let's go. Okay, you guys, it's done, it's decorated. Let's turn the lights on. Okay friends, this is gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and we'll see each other again in the next video. Bye!